no free lunch, which means, unfortunately, if I had mastered over all these years of journalism the ability to write fast without sacrificing quality, I'd be doing that all the time. But unfortunately, that's not the way it works. So I can write fast and it can be good. But if I take my time and I can revise a little bit and I can polish it, I can tighten it up and I can just maybe rearrange this paragraph and move that up here, have a little bit of extra time, it can be great. So there is a difference in that. And, some pieces just fall together for you. You can pull them together faster. You can write them. You're in the zone and it just sort of gets cranked out and you think, wow, that was really fantastic. I did that piece in very short time span, a real tight deadline, and it worked. Tight deadlines also make me write better because I know I have to make the deadline. But there's little doubt that when I'm doing a book and I have the time to rework material, boy, I always think that it's much more polished after you have a little bit of extra time.